Dr. Davin Lim, dermatologist. This video is about the most powerful molecule in skincare. Yes, it is retinol. Part 1 of this video will discuss the science behind retinol, while part 2 will discuss a new novel retinol formulation by Kiehl. Retinol belongs to a powerful family of molecules known as retinoids. These are vitamin A derivatives with multiple functions in the skin, including reduction of pigment, improved cellular turnover, thereby improving dull skin, but at the same time stimulation of collagen synthesis, which leads to less wrinkles. It also reduces oil production, which means less breakouts. Dermatologists rank this ingredient as the #1 active ingredient as it exerts super powerful anti-aging effects. Retinol has over 3 decades of scientific research and still remains as the #1 anti-wrinkle ingredient. Retinoids reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. This is called neocollagenesis. They also stimulate the formation of new blood vessels in the skin, which improves your color. This effect is called angiogenesis. Retinoids also function as a chemical exfoliant as well as a pigment inhibitor. It also reduces acne. It's also anti-inflammatory and has potent antibacterial properties. For anti-aging, retinol reduces unwanted pigmentation but also increases collagen synthesis. This results in cleaner, clearer skin with less wrinkles and smaller pores. In the context of pigmentation, retinol reduces the activity of an enzyme known as tyrosinase. This enzyme is responsible for producing pigmentation, hence its role in the maintenance of melasma and skin pigment. Guys, when to start? Any age is a good time to start retinol, with a caveat: it should not be used in pregnancy. Most dermatologists advise starting at a lower concentration, namely 0.3 to 0.5%. It is important to see how your skin reacts before moving to higher concentrations. Here is how to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine. The best time to use retinol is in the evening, as this molecule is sun sensitive. Start every second night for the first fortnight and gradually increase as tolerated. So step 1, guys, is to wash your face with a bland formulation. Do not use skincare acids such as glycolic, lactic or salicylic acid prior to using retinol, as interactions can occur. Step 2, wait a few minutes until your skin is completely dry. This is important because if your skin is still damp, the retinol will be able to be absorbed more deeply into your skin and might cause irritation. Step 3, take a pea-sized amount of retinol and apply it with your fingertips in upward and outward motions. If you are unsure about how your skin will react, conduct what's known as a test patch. This means to try an application of a small amount of retinol to the front or the back of your ear. Number 4, finish off with the moisturizer 30 minutes after application of actives. Step 5, remember to rinse and clean your face in the morning. You should apply a broad spectrum sunscreen in the morning, as retinol makes your skin more sensitive to sun. So, when will you start seeing the results of retinol? It normally takes between 6 to 10 weeks before you see maximal results. So guys, be patient. So where do we start choosing a retinol formulation? There are many formulations out there. As I said earlier, start with the lower concentration and then gradually work out. One I like using at the moment is the Kiehl's microdose anti-aging retinol serum. This product has a lower concentration of retinol in combination with ceramides and peptides. This is great for beginners and can be used once at night or even in the morning. Once you've built up your tolerance, you can go into something a little bit stronger, like the Kiehl's fast release, wrinkle reducing 0.3% retinol night serum. This is made from 0.3% pure retinol and is Kiehl's strongest retinol formulation to date. It is not recommended for use during the day, and it's not recommended for beginners. If you're a beginner and you want to use this, I recommend starting off by using it twice a week. You can even mix the formula into your moisturizer or apply it over the moisturizer to get your skin used to the high concentration before slowly building up to daily usage. This product has a unique delivery system, which I'll show you shortly. It uses what we call a powder to serum technology, which is exactly what it sounds. The packaging comes with powder and a serum base. So I'll put one together now. So it comes as a box, and this is how we do it. So you've got the container itself, and then you've got this packet which contains the active pure retinol infused powder capsule. So what we've got to do is invert this, take the cap off, the bottom cap, and we keep that aside. So now we're actually opening the pure retinol infused powder capsule.
It comes as a package that's pre-prepared. Take that out. This is your active ingredient. So step number 2, put the cap on this. So this is the cool bit, guys. Now what we've got to do is shake. See how the formulation has changed color? That way we know that the powder is mixed within the actual serum itself. That is your retinol. That can be discarded, and then we put back the original cap. Turn it the right way up, unscrew the bottle, and there is your 1 dose. So this is super smart because it's dose formulated. You invert it again, you press once, and that's your dose of retinol. It looks complicated, but trust me, it's actually pretty easy to put together. The formulation, as with all Kiehl's products, super nice.
As we know, retinol is a very unstable molecule. It only degrades and loses concentration after being opened, and it can become unstable when exposed to heat and sunlight. Hence why skincare fridges are very popular. But when skincare companies design a retinol product, it should be more about controlling the molecules to extend the shelf life. This is why Kiehl's uses a unique fresh mix delivery system with their powder to serum technology. So how fast do you get the results? It really depends on your skincare goals. Most retinoids take 6 weeks before results are seen. However, this serum absorbs quickly into the skin, and studies have shown that you can see a visible reduction of fine lines in just 5 days. It also reduces wrinkles, including deep wrinkles, within 2 weeks. So guys, retinol forms the top 3 of skincare ingredients which I rate. The most important thing, like I said, is to start slow. Potent is not absolutely better, guys, so you've got to actually start slow, and then that way you can move fast. More expensive does not mean better, more powerful does not mean better as well. Get yourself a good formulation like Kiehl's.